Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tech reviews. Hotels.com, a comprehensive booking platform review. Today, we're diving into the world of online hotel booking with a comprehensive review of Hotels.com. We'll provide links to Hotels.com and other helpful resources in the description below. This video will explore its standout features, identify the ideal user, and explain why it consistently ranks as a top choice for booking accommodations. Hotels.com is designed for travelers who value a simple and dependable platform for reserving lodging anywhere in the world. It's an excellent choice for a wide range of travelers, from business professionals and solo adventurers to families and those planning trips of any length. While specializing in hotels, the platform also provides access to a variety of other accommodation types, including resorts, vacation rentals, and unique boutique stays, ensuring a diverse selection to meet every traveler's needs. The platform boasts a user-friendly search interface that allows for efficient filtering based on various criteria such as price, star rating, property type, available amenities, and guest reviews. This makes it remarkably easy to pinpoint the perfect accommodation for your specific travel requirements. A particularly attractive feature of Hotels.com is its rewarding awards program. For every 10 nights booked through the platform, you earn a free night at a participating property of your choosing. This loyalty program is a fantastic perk for frequent travelers seeking to optimize their travel budget. Furthermore, Hotels.com regularly offers secret deals, discounts, and flash sales, providing budget-conscious travelers with opportunities for even greater savings. Pricing is transparent, with itemized breakdowns to eliminate any confusion about potential hidden fees. Most bookings also offer free cancellation options, providing valuable flexibility should your travel plans change unexpectedly. The Hotels.com mobile app further enhances the user experience by enabling on-the-go booking and providing access to exclusive app-only discounts. It also conveniently stores your booking information for easy access and reference. For added convenience for international users, Hotels.com supports multiple languages and currencies. Customer support is readily available 24/7, with representatives accessible through live chat, email, and phone. Moreover, the inclusion of verified guest reviews on the platform empowers you to make well-informed booking decisions. In conclusion, Hotels.com is a versatile and dependable platform that streamlines the process of booking accommodations. Whether you're seeking a luxurious hotel for a special occasion or a budget-friendly option for a short getaway, Hotels.com has something to offer. Explore the links in the description below to discover all the features and begin planning your next adventure today.